In this video, you'll learn how to set a password on apps using your Pixel 9a. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your apps and protect your personal information effectively. Start by unlocking your Pixel 9a and locating the Settings app on your home screen or app drawer. Once you open the Settings app, scroll down and select the option labeled Security and Privacy. This section contains various security features that your device offers. Take a moment to explore the available settings. Some apps might have built-in lock options within their individual settings, so it is essential to check if the specific app you want to secure supports this feature. If the app has an option to enable a lock, activate it to add an additional layer of protection. If your Pixel 9 does not come with a built-in app lock feature, you will need to install a trusted app locker from the Play Store. Open the Play Store and search for app lockers. Look for applications with good reviews and a reliable reputation. Once you have selected an app, download and install it on your device. After installation, open the app locker and set a password or PIN that you will remember. Next, you can choose which apps you want to protect with this password. Make sure to grant any necessary permissions requested by the app locker for it to function correctly. This step ensures your selected apps are secured and cannot be accessed without the password. After securing your apps, it is important to test the app security to ensure it is functioning as intended. Begin by opening one of the locked apps. You should see a password prompt appearing on the screen. Enter the password you set earlier to gain access to the app. Confirm that the lock mechanism works consistently by trying to open various locked apps. If you encounter any issues, you may need to adjust the settings within the app locker for better security. Ensuring that your apps are locked protects your personal data effectively. Remember that securing your apps not only helps maintain your privacy, but also provides peace of mind. Regularly check for updates to your app locker and the apps you are securing to ensure compatibility and security. This practice helps you stay protected from potential vulnerabilities. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.